Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. What are the signs and symptoms of this hair fall in men? As you can see in the picture, see, there is prominent loss of hair near the temples. What do you mean by temples? This part is called as the temple part, and there is prominent loss of hair in the temple region, and also there is receding of the hairline. What do you mean by receding of the hairline? For example, if you keep your four fingers from the eyebrows to the starting of your hairline, and after quite some time, like for example, if you take 2 years or 3 years and you're keeping your hand here on the forehead from your eyebrows, and you feel that there is a gap occurring after 2 to 3 years or after 2 to 3 months in certain cases, that is called as receding hairline. Where your hairline used to start, it will go back. That is called as receding hairline, which is also a characteristic feature of male pattern baldness. Coming to the other signs and symptoms, if you'll see, as you can see in this picture, what is the prominency of this picture? Anyhow, there is temporal baldness or hair loss. You can see receding hairline. Not only that, you will see there is widening of the scalp. If you take a section and you divide it, this part, which is the visible part of the scalp, the part should be very thin. If it is widened, that means there is prominent hair loss. And also you can see there is hair loss in the vertex part, that is the topmost part of the head, and also there is prominent hair fall all over the scalp. Also you can see that hair has started to recede a lot all over. And if you can see here, in certain section of people, the starting symptom of hair fall in men is hair fall in bunches or prominent hair fall. If you see, females are very particular about their hair fall. They will note each and every strand. But men, they just comb one day, they just don't comb one day. But if you are having a good hair care routine, and if you are counting the strands, and if you are getting more than 100 or 120 strands of hair, that means you are having hair fall. And if it is falling in bunches, that is a very serious issue. Coming to the other signs and symptoms, as you can see in the picture, there is patchy baldness. See, you can see patchy baldness especially when the person is suffering from tinea capitis, that is fungal infection of the scalp, or psoriasis also. Even in psoriasis condition also, you can see that there is patchy baldness of the scalp. And in certain section where there is gene mutation also, you can see there is patchy baldness of the scalp. And next thing is, what is the other thing that is also important in this hair fall symptoms is that slower hair growth. This is very important. For example, you are going to a salon getting your hair cut, and it usually grows in 3 to 4 months, the usual length that you want it to be. And after some period of time, if you are facing this hair fall issue, the growth rate of the hair also will fall down. That is the major factor you need to know. It is the starting factor of this hair fall problem. Next, coming into the consultation part, if you are someone suffering from hair fall and you would like to get in touch with us, you can contact us either through online consultation, which has two options, audio and video consultation, or if you are staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and consult us in person. After the doctor consultation is done, if we need, we will ask you for any sort of investigations. If you already have them, you can share it with us. After all this process is done, especially the online consultation, the medicine will be sent directly to you to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days, and across the globe anywhere, it will take 4 to 8 business days. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, ping us, or messages on this number which is shown on the screen. If you would like to know more about us, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone suffering from hair fall, you are looking for a proper cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. We are already treating cases who are having hormonal imbalance, having side effects of allopathic medications, and who are having this hair fall issue with high success rate. The transparent treatment, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will explain everything to you in detail regarding your prognosis. And also the personal care. If you are having any sort of queries or if you are having any sort of doubts, we will clear it to you. The personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you are looking for cure, try opting Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.